Hi, first grade friends. Please write your name at the top of the paper. This week we are focusing on the syllable type long vowel silent E. The pattern is one vowel, then one consonant, and an E at the end. The silent E is not pronounced, and the vowel sound is long. So looking at our first word, we have the word game. G-A-M, game. And you can see our pattern. We have a vowel, consonant, and an E at the end. That vowel is making the long vowel sound A. Our next word is plain. P-O-A-N, plain. Our third word is gate. G-A-T, gate. And you notice that E on the end is not pronounced. Our fourth word is plate. P-O-A-T, plate. We next have wave. W-A-V, wave. At the next top of the column, we have shape. Sh-A-P, shape. We have one vowel, then one consonant, and an E at the end. Makes the long A say A. Our next word is name. N-A-M, name. Then we have the word snake. S-N-A-K, snake. Next word is bake. B-A-K, bake. Again, notice there's a silent E on the end that's making that vowel make a long A sound. And our last word is flame. F-O-A-M, flame. From here, boys and girls, you know what to do. Go ahead and write those long vowel silent E words underneath the corresponding crayon. All right, boys and girls, please write your name at the top of your paper. And you will notice inside our box here, it says color the blank A blank E words. So that is the long vowel silent E words. With the long vowel silent E, the pattern is one vowel, one consonant, and an E at the end. The silent E is not pronounced. Our first word of our box is face. F-A-S, face. We're going to color the word face because there's a silent E having that long vowel sound A. Our next word is b-a-t, bat. We are not going to color bat because if you listen to the vowel sound, a, it is making the short vowel sound, and there is no silent E on the end. The next word is cane. K-A-N, cane. And I can hear that A is saying its name, A. K-A-N. There's that silent E on the end that is not pronounced. Our next word is pace. P-A-S, pace. We're going to color pace because that has the long vowel silent E pattern. Next word is cat. K-a-t. Cat. I want you to think, are we going to color that word? Listen to the vowel sound. K-a-t. Cat. We are not going to color that word because the vowel sound is short. The vowel sound is saying ah, ah, ah. Then we have Dale. D-A-L. Dale. We're going to color Dale because that A is saying its vowel sound A. There's a silent E on the end. Our next word is base. B-A-S. Base. Please color base if you hear A in the word base. B-A-S. Base. Our next word is lace. O-A-S. Lace. We have a vowel, consonant, and an E on the end. So this has the long vowel silent E syllable type. I'm going to have you do the last row by yourself. We have the word bake. B-A-K. Bake. Please color bake if you think it has the long vowel silent E pattern. Our next word is hat. H-A-T. Hat. Please color hat if you think it has the long vowel silent E pattern. Our next word is cave. K-A-V. Cave. Please color cave if you see the pattern one vowel, one consonant, and an E at the end. Our last word is pat. P-A-T. Pat. Please color pat if you think it has one vowel, then one consonant, and an E at the end. All right, we're then going to do spin, read, and write. We have the word pace, cave, lace, cane, bake, face, base, and Dale. And you'll notice all of those words in that circle have one vowel, then one consonant, and a silent E at the end, making the vowel sound long. Down below we have our word bank. Bake, Dale, cane, pace, and lace. Please put those in the corresponding boxes. Way to go, boys and girls. When you're done, please put this in the top basket and move on to Lexia. Free Time Friday is coming up soon. Way to go.